Welcome to Foxtecc. If you've ever tried to download an app and got a message saying this app is not available in your country or region, you're probably wondering if there's a way around it. The short answer is yes, but it's not exactly a quick fix. There are a few ways to access region-locked apps, but each method comes with its own challenges. The most direct solution is to change your App Store region. To do this, go to Settings, Apple ID, Media and Purchases, View, Account, Country region, and select a country where the app is available. This will allow you to download the app as if you were in that region. However, there's a major catch. Your current Apple ID is tied to your existing region, and switching requires you to cancel all your active subscriptions. That means if you're paying for services like Apple Music or iCloud, you'll have to either cancel them or find a way to transfer everything before making the switch. A common misconception is that using a VPN will solve this problem, but unfortunately, it won't. A VPN only changes your internet location, not your App Store region. Even if you physically travel to another country, your App Store account remains locked to its original region unless you manually change it. Before going through all that effort, one thing to try is checking if the app has a web version. Some apps, especially those related to memberships or rewards programs, might let you sign up through their website instead. For example, when I was traveling, I wanted to download the UK's Starbucks app to collect coffee stamps, but it wouldn't let me due to country restrictions. In cases like that, using the website might be a decent workaround. Another option is creating a separate Apple ID for a different region. If you have another iPhone, even an older one, you can sign in with this new Apple ID to download region-locked apps. It's not the most convenient solution, but it works if you need access to an app without changing your main account. That's how you can work around the not available in your country message. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.